Hi everyone. Now, today I'm going to be bringing you some more hip drop moves that you can use in your own dancing. Let's enhance your dance with Rachel Bennett School of Bellydance. And this is a fun move that you can just do on the spot if you're trying to find more variations for your hip drops. And it is a hip drop, but you want to give the illusion that you're leaning back with it. And this for me is very much inspired by the great black and white movie Bellydance star Naguère Fouad, who is still a contemporary star today. And when I'm working this move, I'm actually not trying to do a back bend. What I'm trying to do is hinge at my knee. And this means that I'm really working using my quadricep. So please make sure you do this when you're fully warmed up, and if you have any knee problems or problems with the quadricep, it's probably best to miss this out until you're better, but you can definitely watch. So, as I'm doing the move, I'm bending the back leg and I am inclining myself very slightly so that my shoulder is going directly backwards, directly out to the side. I'm also holding onto my stomach muscles, I'm working my core. And there we go. And you go back only as far as you're comfortable. And then just prepare, can't speak today, prepare for the other side. Turn around and you can plie just to start off with. This is a good way to prepare. And you can plie, and again, think about your right shoulder trying to go out to the side. You're using your core strength. And you're doing a bit of a lean. You're not going too far, you're not doing a full back bend. That's very, very important. Now, you can do this with a hip drop, okay? So, give yourself a lovely little frame. This is just a suggestion. And you can drop and flick and lean. And once you've hit your furthermost point, keep hold of those core muscles, and you can drop and flick away and lean as far back as you wish. And you can gently come up doing the move as well, engaging all of those abs. Now, Naguère Fouad, a movie clip that I've studied of her, she uses a hip swerve for this. It's very attractive. So you can swerve and flick, swerve and flick, swerve and flick. Use your core and come up when you're ready. And it's a really lovely way to take care of a dance move when you're a soloist. It makes your hip drop slightly more exciting, and it's a wonderful challenge for your body and your fitness. Oh, there you are. Okay, come on over to rachelbellydancer.com for more fun and get your free belly dance workout with us. And we'll see you soon at rachelbellydancer.com. Take care now, bye-bye.